everyone. I am Satvik Bhushnur of grade 7 and today I will be presenting to you the COVID-19 rapid test identifier. Identifying COVID-19 has been made easy with the rapid test kit, and this project makes it even easier further down by automatically identifying the results of the kit. Now let's view a quick description of the project. Let's have a look at the code. Here, when run, the recognition starts by opening the recognition window and starts identifying. The classified variable is set to the class identified from the web camera. And the confidence of the classification is shown in the confidence variable. And if the test is found to be invalid, then it runs this piece of code, and if it's identified positive, then it runs this piece of code, and if it's identified as negative, then it runs this bit of code. Now let's run it and test it.
Oops, that's an invalid result. Please test again. Oops, that's an invalid result. Please test again. Yay! You have been tested COVID-19 negative. Oh, you have been tested COVID-19 rapid test positive. Please take all necessary precautions and stay isolated.
Thank you.